Two of the most important aspects regarding the performance of a smartphone are the processor and memory. The processor and memory help in determining the function of the mobile. If you are wondering about the details related to the memory and the processor in the upcoming iPhone 12, well, you're in luck, because now we're going to give you the lowdown. As for the processor used in the iPhone 12, users can expect to see an A14 chip in the new iPhone. With the help of manufacturing partner TSMC, Apple is benefiting from the improvements made to that device. The A12 chip was made using a 7nm process. The A13 chip was built on an enhanced 7nm process. This enhanced 7nm process, even though having the same speeds as the older 7nm process, lowered power consumption. So, in the 5nm process, leading to the manufacture of A14 chips might provide more efficient results to users. The A14 chips have 15% increased performance while consuming 30% less power than the A13 chips. However, the speeds remain the same. The iPhone 12 has a 120 Hz refresh rate and a smaller battery in terms of size and capacity. To optimize power consumption, Apple needs the A14 chips to work more efficiently. If they fail to do so, users will be disappointed with the power consumption. With the A13 chip, Apple wasn't focused on the CPU structure. This means it still had the same number of cores. Both A12 and A13 chips have 4 small, high-efficiency cores, along with 2 big high-performance cores. In the A14 chip, a third core will increase the overall performance. There might also be some major changes related to the processor in the iPhone 12. Some examples include increased graphics, transistor density, image processing, etc. First, let's look at the RAM of the iPhone 12. Currently, Samsung is the only company producing LPDDR5, which is almost 30% faster and 30% more power efficient than Apple's LPDDR4X used in the iPhone 11. This memory bandwidth is the key factor for the graphics and images on a smartphone. If Apple makes use of the LPDDR5 chip provided by Samsung, we can expect 6 GB RAM on the iPhone 12. Barclays analyst Blaine Curtis says iPhone 12 Pro models might come with a 6 GB RAM, while the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Max will offer 4 GB of RAM. As for internal memory, iPhone 12 may be available in different models, starting from 128 GB of internal memory. Based on some predictions, we may see 5.4-inch iPhone 12 and 6.1-inch iPhone 12 Max may come with 128 GB and 256 GB packages, whereas the 6.1-inch iPhone 12 Pro and 6.7-inch iPhone Pro Max will be available in 128 GB, 256 GB, and 512 GB. It's possible Apple might offer the low-end models, iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Max, with 64 GB as well. Our conclusion about the processor and memory is that Apple needs to offer an effective processor and better RAM in order to support system performance. However, Apple has always astonished people when it comes to the performance of its mobiles. Therefore, we expect all models of the iPhone 12 to have better overall performance. Moreover, Apple needs an efficient solution in terms of processing, as we discussed earlier, because an inefficient processor might lead to serious problems, especially regarding power consumption.